Hello, this is Het and this is my EV bike that I just got. I put maybe 30 miles, 35 on it. And check this out. Brand new bike. And look at this bearing. Unbelievable. This is junk. I mean, I just took it apart and that's what I found in here. Crazy stuff. Unbelievable. Have you ever seen stuff like this on a new bike? I mean, literally 35 miles. My first bike was from 1949 and everything was original on it and everything was working fine. I mean, crazy stuff. Anyway, I'm going to replace it. I have this used bearing from an old Giant bike and I'm gonna fix it. Brand new bike. I'm gonna use this lubrication. It prevents wear and corrosion. I'm just gonna apply generously. I mean, it's frustrating. I took it off for a completely different reason. I was trying to do something to the front fork. Just completely different reason. And that's what I found. Bad bearing. Anyway. Fits perfectly. 20-year-old bearing from a used Giant bike. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you this experience. It's good to have spare parts, you know. I replaced both of them, this on the bottom and the one that was broken. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. So to replace headset bearings on top and bottom, all you need is a 6mm Allen wrench and a decent adjustable wrench, so you can unscrew both nuts right here. It's a very easy, straightforward process.